You searched how to buy shares of Prime Medicine Inc., a biotech company developing genetic medicines listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PRME. This is an educational overview and not financial advice, so please research carefully before acting. To buy PRME, you will need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker PRME to locate Prime Medicine Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to find the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information in recent news. Check the price chart and confirm the NASDAQ PRME listing is the asset you intend to buy. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, choose any order options, and carefully review the summary before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is filled. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same step-by-step example.